10 ways to keep her obsessed with you. When it comes to relationships, keeping the spark alive is key. Attraction can bring people together, but it's the deeper connection and emotional bond that keeps someone obsessed with you. So how do you go beyond surface-level attraction and maintain that intense pull that makes her think about you constantly? It's not about manipulation or mind games. Instead, it's about genuine emotional engagement and maintaining a dynamic relationship. Here are 10 proven ways to keep her obsessed with you. 1. Be unpredictable in a good way. Predictability can be comforting, but too much of it can lead to boredom. Keep her on her toes by being a little unpredictable in a positive way. Surprise her with thoughtful gestures, spontaneous dates, or new experiences. When she doesn't know what delightful thing you'll do next, she'll stay intrigued and excited to see what you have up your sleeve. Being unpredictable doesn't mean being inconsistent. You should still be reliable and trustworthy, but throw in a little spice now and then. Take her to a place she's never been before, or surprise her with a thoughtful gift out of the blue. It's these small, unexpected moments that can make a big difference. 2. Show genuine confidence. Confidence is one of the most attractive traits anyone can have, but it's essential to differentiate between genuine confidence and arrogance. Genuine confidence comes from knowing who you are, being comfortable in your own skin, and not being afraid to express yourself. This kind of confidence is magnetic and keeps her drawn to you. Being confident means being secure in your own life, your choices, and your relationship. Show her that you're strong, dependable, and that you can handle whatever life throws your way. When she knows she can count on you, she'll feel safe and secure, making her even more invested in the relationship. 3. Listen to her like no one else. One of the easiest ways to keep a woman obsessed with you is to genuinely listen to her. Most people love talking about themselves, and when you're the one who listens intently, it sets you apart. Don't just hear her words, really understand them. Ask thoughtful follow-up questions that show you're engaged and interested in what she's saying. When she feels heard and understood, she'll develop a deeper emotional bond with you. You'll become the person she turns to for comfort and support, and that connection will make her even more obsessed with you. 4. Be ambitious and passionate about your life. Nothing is more attractive than a person who is passionate about their goals and dreams. When you have ambition, drive, and a sense of purpose, it shows that you're not just coasting through life. Share your passions and dreams with her, and make her feel like she's a part of your journey. A woman is more likely to stay obsessed with a man who is going places, both in his personal and professional life. She'll admire your ambition and want to be by your side as you reach your goals. 5. Keep the physical intimacy exciting. Physical intimacy plays a vital role in keeping the emotional connection strong. Don't let your intimate moments become routine. Instead, keep things exciting by trying new things, being affectionate, and always showing her how much you desire her. Pay attention to her needs and desires, and make sure she feels appreciated and loved, both emotionally and physically. When she knows that you find her irresistible, she'll feel the same way about you. 6. Maintain your own life. One mistake many people make in relationships is becoming too dependent on their partner. While it's important to spend time together, it's equally important to maintain your own interests, friendships, and hobbies. When you have your own life outside of the relationship, it creates a sense of mystery and independence. Having your own life doesn't mean you're distant. It means you're well-rounded. When she sees that you're passionate about your own interests, she'll feel even more attracted to you because you're a complete person, not just someone who revolves around her. 7. Make her feel special and appreciated. Every woman wants to feel special and appreciated by the person she loves. Don't take her for granted. Show her through small acts of kindness, words of affirmation, and thoughtful gestures that she's important to you. Whether it's leaving her a sweet note, cooking her favorite meal, or complimenting her on something specific, make her feel cherished. When a woman feels valued, she becomes more emotionally attached to the relationship. It's the little things that show her that you're invested in making her happy. 8. Be emotionally available. Emotional connection is the foundation of a lasting relationship. Don't shy away from being vulnerable with her. Share your thoughts, feelings, and fears openly. When you're emotionally available, it creates a bond that goes beyond physical attraction. Women are naturally drawn to men who can express their emotions and connect on a deeper level. When you show her that you're willing to be vulnerable, it makes her feel closer to you, deepening her attachment. 9. Support her dreams and goals. Just as you're ambitious and passionate about your own life, show her that you support her dreams and goals too. Be her biggest cheerleader, encourage her to chase her passions, and celebrate her achievements with her. When she feels that you genuinely care about her success and happiness, it strengthens your connection. She'll see you as a partner in life, not just a romantic interest, and that will keep her obsessed with you. 10. Keep the communication open. Communication is key in any relationship. Make sure you're always open and honest with her, even when it's difficult. Be willing to talk through issues, listen to her concerns, and find solutions together. When you have open communication, it eliminates misunderstandings and strengthens trust. When she knows she can talk to you about anything, it fosters a sense of security and loyalty. She'll feel comfortable sharing her innermost thoughts with you, which will deepen your emotional bond. By following these 10 ways, you'll not only keep her obsessed with you, but also build a strong, healthy, and lasting relationship. Remember, it's all about creating a deep emotional connection and maintaining a sense of excitement, trust, and mutual respect. When you do that, she'll be thinking about you constantly and will want to be by your side through all of life's adventures. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.